Howdy, the last day of my DIY curb appeal series, and today we're diving into how outdoor speakers can transform your space into a haven for relaxation and entertainment. Ready to elevate your outdoor experience? Let's get started. First up, selecting the perfect outdoor speakers. Look for weather-resistant features to withstand the elements and options for easy installation. Whether it's wireless Bluetooth speakers or wired ones, the choice is yours. Now, onto the installation. Finding the ideal spot ensures your speakers blend seamlessly with your outdoor aesthetics while delivering superb sound. For wired setups, remember to safely tuck away those wires for a sleek look. And for our wireless aficionados, positioning is key. Ensure your speakers are within a good range of your device for uninterrupted tunes. A clear line of sight? Check. Optimal connectivity? Double check. Imagine this, your outdoor space now with the perfect soundtrack. Music fills the air, enhancing every moment. Whether it's a chill relaxation session or a lively gathering, the ambiance is unmatched. So why wait? Dive into this DIY project and see the transformation for yourself. Outdoor speakers are more than just gadgets. They're your ticket to creating unforgettable moments right in your backyard. Make sure you like and share, and even comment on this video #IWatch to let me know you stayed to the end. And you actually saw the funny stuff. Brought to you by Chris Kunor, Henthorn Real Estate, 321-229-7698. Visit www.norrealestate.com.